So the first thing first, we need to find the end of our yarn. The end is normally tucked into one of the ends of your ball. So I can see here this extra strand going in the middle doesn't sit like the rest of them, so I know that that one's my end. So if you just pull on that, your yarn should pop out. So once you've pulled your yarn out of the ball, you're ready to make your slip knot. So the slip knot is the first stitch of the cast on edge to go onto the needle. So to make your slip knot, you want to hold your yarn in your hand, close your bottom 3 fingers around the yarn, trapping the tail, and then you want to take the yarn attached to your ball over your first finger and then over it again. So you should have 2 loops on your first finger like that. Yep. So then you want to take this yarn back in your fingers with the other piece and then grab hold of that. So you should have both of the ends of your yarn in your hand. Then you want to lift this loop, this first one, over the second one. So you don't want to take this off the finger. You're just simply moving it across the other one. Once you've done that, you can then grab the other loop and then you want to lift this one up, over and off the finger. Once you've done that, if you pull the long tail of yarn, so the one that's attached to your ball, it should tighten up that knot, just like that, so that you have your slip knot. So this is your first stitch, and you're just going to place that onto your knitting needle. And then you can pull the short end to tighten the loop around the knitting needle.